Hello guys, welcome back and I hope everyone are doing fantastic. Guys, in this video, I'm going to be discussing something very important and that is gold trading. Guys, those of you who are into stock market, crypto trading, love gold because even gold is subjected to volatility. Yes, gold in the long term keeps climbing, but in the short term, there's a lot of volatility, okay? Just like Bitcoin. Guys, gold trading, you can do it two ways, okay? Physical way or the digital way. Physical way, it involves a lot of problems or disadvantages like you cannot buy it and carry it to your house in large quantity. Guys, you cannot invest on jewelries or ornaments, okay? Or else you'll end up in loss. The only way that you can do is investing on gold bars. If you're buying and selling gold regularly, then the chances of you getting robbed is very high. And the other disadvantage is whatever gold you stacked up, if the prices drop for longer time duration, then you cannot sell that, okay? You should keep holding. So your investment, it will get stuck at one place. So guys, when it comes to gold physical trading, there's a lot of limitations and there's a lot of disadvantages. So the best way to trade gold is digital way. It's safe and secure. There's no limitations. You can make money if the price keeps on climbing, and you can also make money if the price keeps on crashing. Yes guys, even if the price drops, you can make money, and this is possible through gold leverage trading. If you think the price of gold may pump, then you can go with long position. If you think the prices may crash, then you can go with short position. So guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step the safest way, easiest way and the legal way to trade gold in India. Now, before we start, guys, if you're new to this channel, I'm Vasu and you're watching Techno. Okay guys, now without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Now, I want to clear one thing, okay? There's a lot of misinformation among people that they're thinking that gold trading in India is illegal. No guys, you can trade gold in India, okay? It's 100% legal. But where you trade and which platform you're using, that is actually important. Guys, if you're trading gold on banned platforms or restricted brokers like forex platforms, then you will definitely get into problem. Guys, if you're trading gold on banned platforms or restricted brokers like forex platforms, then you will definitely get into legal problems. It's because forex is banned in India. Now guys, if you wanna trade gold 24/7 with no time restrictions, and if you wanna use high leverage, then you should do it on crypto exchanges, because on stock market, if you wanna trade on gold, then you cannot use high leverage, and stock market is not open 24/7. So if you're using crypto exchanges, then it's better. In case if you're using FI registered crypto exchanges, then it's much more better. You won't be facing any issues from the government. Your bank account won't get freezed, and there won't be any legal issues. I'm personally using CoinDCX exchange, but you can use whichever exchange you want. I'm using CoinDCX exchange because not only I can trade gold, I can trade on silver, I can trade on crude oil, Bitcoin, crypto, and also I can trade on US stocks. Guys, after you create account, you'll get an interface just like this. So here the first thing you should do is you should complete your KYC and you should link your bank account. Now to do that, click on this profile logo, click on account settings. So click on this to complete your KYC and click on this option to link your bank account. And guys, if you don't have an account on CoinDCX, then I'll leave the link in the description of this video. So you can click on that and create an account. Okay guys, now the next step is depositing funds onto your CoinDCX account. And guys, the INR that you deposit here, you can directly trade that on gold, silver or crypto using INR only. You don't have to convert it to USDT or anything. Now to add INR, click on this add INR option. Enter how much you want to deposit and click on this select payment method. Here I'll select Google Pay. Guys, you can select whichever option you want, okay? And click on add 5,000. If you click on proceed, it will take you to Google Pay, and once you complete the transaction, just come back and your deposits will appear here. Now the next step is you should transfer this INR to your futures wallet. To do that, come on to your portfolio section and click on this transfer option. So guys, you're transferring INR from INR wallet to futures wallet. Here enter how much you want to transfer and click on transfer to futures wallet. Okay guys, now to trade on gold, come on to the futures section. Here at your left upper corner, click on this 3-line option, and in the search box, search for XAU. Guys, XAU is also known as gold only, okay? Or you can directly search up gold in the search box and XAU will come up. Guys, this XAU is a gold based token and its price matches the actual gold's value. Now I'll click on this XAU. And one more thing guys, I forgot to tell you, if you're trading commodities like gold on CoinDCX, then there's 80% off on trading fees. Guys, this 80% off on trading fee is applicable for all commodities. Guys, before if you were paying like 100 rupees, then now it's just 20 rupees fee. Guys, CoinDCX has the lowest fee, and in that also they have reduced like 80% for commodities. So you can make use of this. Now guys, if you click on this, you can select your time frame. Here if you click on this candle option, you can select what type of candles you want. And here if you click on this, you can select whichever indicator you want. And this pencil icon here, it will give you the tools, okay, to draw and carry out a technical analysis on this chart. Now I'll leave this isolated option as it is. And next to that, there's something called leverage option. So you can click on this and select how much leverage you want. But guys, remember one thing, higher the leverage you select, higher the risk. Lower the leverage you select, lower the risk. Now there's two options here, long and short. If you think that the price of gold may pump, then you can go with this long option. And if you think that the price of gold may crash, then you can go with this short option. So guys, here you can make money either way, okay? It doesn't matter if the market is pumping or crashing. You can monetize both sides. Here enter how much you want to put on this trade, and I'll click on buy long option. Now the trade that you opened, it will be visible here, okay, under this position section. Now if you want to add TP and SL, which is also known as take profits and stop loss, then you can click on this option and you can set your TP and SL. And guys, if you want to close this trade, click on this close option and select how much percentage of trade you want to close, and click on confirm option. Okay guys, now the INR balance that's on my futures wallet. If I want to transfer that to my INR wallet to withdraw to my bank account, then come on to the portfolio section, click on this transfer option. Then I'll change this from futures wallet to INR wallet, and I'll enter here how much I want to transfer, and I'll click on this transfer to INR wallet. Yes guys, here you can see that my amount is being shown here on my INR wallet. So to withdraw this, click on portfolio option, come on to the funds section, click on withdraw. Here enter how much you want to withdraw, and click on continue to withdraw. And in the next step, you'll get an OTP, and if you enter that OTP, within few minutes time, you'll receive this amount to your bank account. If you want to trade silver, crude oil or cryptocurrencies, then come on to the future section, click on this 3-line option, and you can see all these crypto coins here, okay? Or else you can search it up manually here in this search box. Now I'll search for silver, and guys, the tokenized name for silver is XAG, or you can type silver also, okay, in the search box, and XAG will pop up. In case if you want to trade crude oil, then you can click on this or you can select this CL token. Now if you want to trade on US stocks, then click on global futures option, and click on this 3-line option again, and select whichever US stocks you want. All the major US stocks like SpaceX, Apple, Amazon, Google, Tesla, everything is available here. And also guys, trading US stocks is also 100% similar, just like the gold trade. All you have to do is just select whichever stock you want, and the procedure is all same to same. Now if you want to trade on Bitcoin, then come on to the future section and select Bitcoin. That's it. Now guys, if you don't have an account on CoinDCX, then I'll leave the link in the description of this video, so you can click on that and create an account on CoinDCX. And if you have any doubts related to this topic, then do let me know that in the comment section down below. Now guys, if this video has helped you in any way, then please do drop a like on this video, and if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. Now if you're a subscriber, then I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, peace.